So saya dapat banyak comments yang dari users di media sosial lah. Kata, Wing, ala Malaysia punya stock markets memang sangat slow, compared to US. Lebih baik saya letak duit je saya kat US stock. So tuan nak tanya, apakah pandangan anda tentang stock market di Malaysia, bursa Malaysia?
Okay, kita kena faham bahawa based on track record, based on kita punya economic fundamental, Malaysia punya market, Malaysia punya economy is still resilient. It's still one of the most resilient economy, and we receive banyak foreign investment into Malaysia. So saya akan merasakan bahawa stock market di Malaysia mempunyai potensi untuk berkembang, because kita economists ataupun fund managers anticipate that earnings of corporate earnings in Bursa Malaysia will increase between 5 to 7% in 2025, and of course higher in 2026. Jadi potential for stock market di Malaysia ni will be much better. And of course government sendiri telah initiate beberapa projek, beberapa incentive for the economy to grow further. Dalam the 13 Malaysian plan, as we see, about 600 billion will be spent for economy punya development, and then about 200 million for construction and infrastructure project, and then 1.2 million jobs will be created. Those are memang positif. Kalau kita merasakan bahawa sekarang ni pasaran bursa Malaysia agak merudum dengan apa yang telah diumumkan oleh government.
Lalu Malaysia's leading AI investment tool will be found for free now at Google and Apple Play Store.